So y'all, we have spotted a waterfall, or I don't know what they call these thingies. Welcome to the vlog. And they got this over here. Look how pretty. Come here real quick. Look how pretty this is. Aw, she's singing with her dog. Stand there for a second. Then they have the kitties over here. This is super cool. This is very, very, very crafty. Look at this. Hold on a second. Then they have this, a Dream Keepers 9/11 Memorial. Oh, dedicated to the youngest victim of 9/11 who lost a parent, friend, or family member. And they have that from 9/11. This is very interesting. It is loud. Okay, step back. I don't want your shoes to get all wet. Oh, you had your foot holding it. All right, I don't want you to get all wet, dude. This is super cool. How this is, the water is shooting, it's going up. That is super cool. Look at that. Dude, you're gonna get all wet. This is pretty. They want to go play in the water. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, enough. Enough. Look at your shoes. Enough. Go have a seat for a few minutes. Go have a seat. Go have a seat. Go have a seat. Go have a seat. Look at the lawn chairs. This is super cool. Hey, don't walk in it. This is what it's going to be when they get finished. This is super cool right here. I love the scenery of how they're gonna have where you can look down. So like they started already, but they're gonna bring it up high. That's super cool. They got some pretty flowers over here and plants. We're just enjoying the sun today. It just feels so good out here. They're calling for rain again, which it rained. It's calling for rain again. So it's like we get 2 days break and then it goes back to rainy. Hey, baby girl, you eat ice cream? So the kiddos got ice cream.
I changed the color of it. Look,
yeah, eat it. It's melting. It's melting. It's melting. It's melting. Can I have some? You gonna share with mommy? Oh, never mind. She want to get all on me, y'all. Never mind. But this is so nice.
Hey guys.
So you gotta clean your face first. Lick your lips. You can talk to the fam.
Hey guys.
Say welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog, guys. Remember when you saw me stepping my foot on that?
So we are, like I said, we're just out. We came for a walk. And we're loving it. First it was cold, y'all. Now as the sun is out, it feels so good. And like I said, this is super cute. So next time we'll come with some shorts to where they can play in the water. We'll come next time. Because this is super cool. I think it's on all day. They have another one not too far from here too. And it's better. They have a lot of space with all water. And it's cool. So I'll come back and talk to y'all in a minute.
Bye.
Hey y'all, welcome to the vlog. So we are at this little water area. The kids can come and have fun. Lana, you gonna go? Let's see if she gonna go. Yeah, I'm looking a little crazy, but hey, it's hot. We're feeling good. So let's see what she do. He got me wet. I didn't want to get wet. It felt good though. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play. Yo, drop my phone. Come on, let's go touch the water. Dude, stop. Okay. Don't chase her.
No, good show, man.
She had fun, huh? Oh, she got her baby, huh? Say, brother, stop. It's cold. Say, it's cold, brother. Stop. Did you like it? Was it fun? Come and touch it. After we finish, you get cocomelon. Y'all, she want cocomelon. She ain't gonna get cocomelon until we finish. Your feet get wet? Let me see your feet.